Hey guys, it's Joseph here. And this is one of my friend's 1986 Ford Broncos. Or it's his Ford Bronco, I should say. And I just wanted to show it to you real quick. It's not a full in-depth tour or anything. It's just a quick clip. Short video just to show it to you. But it's a 86 Bronco XLT with a 351 4V Weber 4-barrel. And it's in pretty good shape overall. Like, the seats are still in awesome condition. So he's thinking of selling it sooner or later. I'll talk to him about it, but I just wanted to show you how nice this car is, because you really don't see that many Ford Broncos of this era anymore. It's got some small problems, like the switches on the door panels are coming loose, but he said that's due to the little clips failing in the switchboard, but the windows still work. So visor, as you can see here, 79,423.1 miles. It's got the old Ford style gauge cluster, got the warning lights on the upper part, fasten seat belts, turn signals, high beam, brake, etc. And it's got an aftermarket Pioneer radio from probably the early 2000s. He said he'll see if he can get a cold start of it when I'm about to leave, but I just wanted to walk around it and show it to you since he gave me permission. It's got the fold down window. Beautiful car though. It's got a little patina on it overall, but it's still in really good condition. This is Ethan Hill's Bronco. I'm just getting some footage of it for my YouTube channel, but I can tell you about it, because I know a lot about vehicles. So I'm just getting some footage, and then I'll get a cold start of it when he drives off, or before I leave. My YouTube channel is just my name. So I got 137 subs. I have an antique as well, though. I'll tell you about it in a second when I'm done getting footage. That's nice, though. Alright guys, well, I'll get some footage of it starting up when I'm about to leave. So, see you in a bit.
I'm gonna try to get it started.
Right.
And then put it in drive so it doesn't idle like.
Wait, so it doesn't rocket to the moon.
Yeah, so.
Alright, Reagan, let's see if you'll start, baby.